In this vlog, we will learn how to make a network call using HTTP library. In our previous tutorials, we have also seen a network call using Retrofit library. If you have missed it, I will provide the link in the description section below. Do have a look on it and let us start this tutorial. So, first we need to add the dependencies for the tutorial. So, we are adding HTTP dependency. Here the current version I am having is 0.12.1, so please try to update it to the latest version when you are trying this tutorial. And let us start with the main.dart here. So in this particular tutorial we are dealing with populating the data from HTTP, and here we are retrieving an image and a description for the image. So these are the two fields we are fetching from the JSON API and we are populating it onto our screen. So let us start with the void main, and inside which we have taken a default class my app, which is extending a stateful widget. And if you are having any queries on the stateless and stateful widget, do let me know in the comment section below, and also refer to our previous tutorials. So here we are creating a state here, so my app state, and we will use it in our coming code. So here we have created a future photos. So with the help of this we will be storing the data coming from API and we will be populating the data onto our views. So we are initializing future photos to the fetch photo. Here you can see it's a method we have declared in our network.dart here. So here we have specified the URL. So if you process this URL, if you pass this URL, you will get the image link and a description link. So for which we have added a model class here. An ID will be received, a title and a URL. So these are the keys we have specified here, using this photos class we will pass our URL. And here if the response is success, we will return it. And from JSON, here you can see photos dot from JSON, right? So here photos dot from JSON, here we will parse the data accordingly, and if it is fail we will throw an exception. So the data like we get from processing the API, we will be parsing it onto our screen. So I have designed a basic UI here. I have specified an image network here, using which we will provide the image URL here, and also I am specifying the width and height over here. So the image will be loaded into this widget, and below I have specified some padding and also a text widget here. In the text widget you can see we have provided a data.title, so the description is being populated into this text widget. So this way we will populate this is not a list view, it's a general way of displaying a data using widgets. So if you want to process it in a list form, you can ask me in the comment section, or in the previous tutorial on Retrofit we have generated a list from Retrofit, so you can also refer the tutorial and get to know how to deal with the list view. And we are returning a circular progress indicator. Till the data is received, we will be indicating a progress bar there. So this way we will deal with the HTTP network calls. And if you are having any queries in this tutorial, do let us know in the comment section below, and the code for this tutorial is available in the description section below. For more interesting contents on Flutter, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.